I think for me, I definitely feel like I got to explore a completely different side of Claire that I don't think that I've had the opportunity to explore before. Given that they are setting up home, that it's a quieter part of their lives, it's a much more nurturing side to her, and it's not, we've sort of done more career-driven Claire, and I think Claire has been more on the front foot before, and this was an opportunity to explore this other side of her, which, I think was really interesting, and it gave me a really new challenge, and that's kind of great after having already done 3 seasons to go into a new season and be like, oh, this is a side of her that actually I probably haven't considered enough before. And it was nice to be able to examine that.